Here with Richard Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club Conference. Richard, describe for us a little bit of your asset allocation model. It's so useful to hear.
Sure. Yeah, we're a champion for the private investor. What I've found is that people raising capital for a very specific fund, or if you're a wealth manager, you never talk about this because you're usually either selling a fund or wealth management. But there's really three buckets that the smartest wealthy families put their money in my experience. One, diversified wealth management. That's a traditional wealth management approach of diversifying into a whole bunch of stocks. Maybe you like Tesla and Costco stock or whatever it is, but that's typically what people do for wealth management. They leave it to their wealth manager. The second bucket is real estate. Usually cash flowing real estate, maybe 20% development is common for our clients, so to be particular in your situation. But the real estate area, you're usually choosing the states you want access to in the real estate food groups. And importantly, the direct investments in real estate should not be overseen by your wealth advisor. That's something you need to develop for yourself. What states do you have high conviction in? What managers do you like? So that you're taking a middle of the road, not diversifying in every state and every type of real estate. You're using your entrepreneurial brain and insight to choose where you want to invest your money, mostly in cash flowing hard real estate assets. The third area is probably where you created your wealth. There's one or two areas of an operating business, or it could be real estate, you made your money in real estate, but it's your focused area where you play offense and you grow your balance sheet the most rapidly, take the most risk, but it's the area you know like the back of your hand. And it's a combination of being highly diversified, having real estate hard assets that are cash flowing, and then playing offense in just one or two niche areas that really leads to the smartest investment work by the families that we work with that are ultra wealthy and have learned things the hard way over a decade or two. So that's really what we teach here at Family Office Club. It's part of what we teach. We talk about investing in your wealth. We talk about investment due diligence. We talk about how to structure a deal to protect your downside and be smarter on that way. And we're basically just a bunch of founders that are sharing best practices here in the club.
We'll see you next time.